Actually, listening to videos and watching videos, these are two different things. And we do these two things to improve our English. Actually, while doing our chores or any work, we do listen to videos, right? And whenever we get free time or to give enough time to our spoken English, at that time, even we prefer to watch videos. So that's how we can get that these are two different things. So in today's video, I am going to tell you that how to practice your English after watching videos. Actually, I am going to tell you that method which I used to improve this language. So without making delay, let's get into the video. Actually, what happens when we watch something? After that, we get enough data content, to practice. And to improve this language, we know that practice is mandatory. So what you have to do that first of all need to understand whatever you are watching in limited quantity. What happens nowadays, we are just watching videos only, and we think that after watching videos we would be able to speak this language. But here I want to say all of you that you're wrong, because with watching videos you have to do other things even, like reading, writing and speaking in this language. So if you are thinking that only watching video you can improve this language, then I have to say that you are wrong here, and you just need to stop watching only videos. And one another thing which we do to improve this language, and nowadays people are doing to improve English language, that is they are just watching videos in large quantity. So whenever we get enough time, because we are used to our phone, and we think that after watching so many videos we might come across that video in which we would get that kind of information, like a shortcut. We are just looking for shortcut. So here you just need to understand that just stop watching only videos. And one more thing which I want to clear, that is, if you are a beginner and you are just preferring to watch movies and listening to songs, so just stop doing that. If you are a beginner, then you must watch those videos in which they used simple language. I mean to say that you must watch animation videos, or that person's videos who speaks simple English, as I have suggested already in my so many videos. In my videos that you must watch Sumita Roy ma'am's videos. So what I'm saying that if you are watching movies and if you are a beginner, then stop watching movies. Start watching animation videos. So what I was saying that to improve this language after watching videos, how you can practice. So what you have to do that just take any video to watch, any English video, and make sure that you are watching that video in small quantity. Actually, to get data enough content to improve this language, we prefer to watch videos. And here we just have to do one thing, just get data in small quantity. So here I'm suggesting that you should watch only 2 videos in a day. If you prefer to watch videos in the morning, that's great. And after watching that video, if you get enough time to practice even, you just do not need to give too much time to this language to practice. Just 10 or 15 minutes, that's enough. And that's great if you get enough time in the morning after watching any video. So now you are watching video. After watching that video, what you have to do that only one video, and make sure that you are watching that video with subtitle. So after watching that video, you have to do one thing, that is understand that video. After watching and understanding that video, what you have to do that write down in your notebook whatever you understood in your mother tongue. You just do not need to watch again and again. Once, if you watch once or twice in a day, 2 times you have to watch. And if you watch same video once or twice, that's enough. So after watching that video, when you understand that video, you have to write down whatever you understood in your mother tongue. So now what you have to do, so after writing down in your mother tongue, you just need to speak to yourself in English language. So what you have to speak, whatever you wrote down, try to tell whatever you wrote down in English language. I have said that you need to consider yourself as your best friend. So whatever you understood, you just need to tell to yourself. Do not worry if you make mistakes, and whatever you understood, you have to tell in English language. Just don't say that you are afraid, you get scared whenever it comes to speaking. You just need to overcome this fear. And after overcoming this fear, you would be able to practice. And that's how I did. I was afraid. I was also one of you. I got scared whenever it came to speaking. But as I have told that, how did I motivate myself? I always said one thing, that so what, today I am not able to speak this language. One day I would speak this language like a native speaker. One thing I always tell to myself. And another thing is, people went through this and I have to go through this. So to motivate yourself, you can use these two lines. So when you practice with yourself after watching any video, just make sure that you are trying to construct sentences and take notice of each and every word. If you think that you're making mistake, just go to Google and correct your mistakes. And you just do not need to give, half an hour to your practice. 10 or 15 minutes enough. Only one video you have to watch, and after watching that video, understand that video very well, and after understanding that video, write down in your notebook in your mother tongue whatever you understood. And after that, you have to practice. Try to speak to yourself in English language. So that's how you can practice. So this is not for a beginner, because if you are starting from scratch, then you have to do other things. I have told in my previous videos, you must watch those videos. But you have started your journey towards English language, and you have learned grammar, you do know where to use which verb, helping verb, and so many things, then you can now practice. So now you are able to practice. So for those people, you should use this method to practice. And if you ask to me, I did the same. In the morning, I have told that I gave my 2 hours to this language. I got up at 4 every morning, because it is in my routine to get up early in the morning. So now I'm used to this time. But if you do not get up early in the morning, just adopt this habit and try to get up early if you really want to improve this language, because in the morning you can give enough time to this language. So if you are really eager to improve this language, just use this method to practice this language. And believe me, this method helped me a lot. And I'm 101% sure that this method will definitely help you to improve this language. So just keep on improving your language. And if you like my video, do not forget to subscribe my channel. And thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you so much.